Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to disable ad blockers in Google Chrome. So first, open the Chrome application, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Now from the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now go to the site settings from the bottom. Scroll down, go to the Content section and select Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure that the option of sites can send pop-ups and use redirects is enabled or selected. You can also remove any sites from the not allowed list. Now go back and scroll down, select additional content settings, then select intrusive ads. Here you can select any site you visit can show any ad to you. Also review the list of sites in the not allowed to show intrusive ads and remove any if necessary by clicking the three dots next to them. Finally, check your extensions. Click on the three dots, then select Extensions, which is between the tab groups, and delete browsing data. From the menu that appears, select Extensions. And if you have an ad blocker extension, you can disable it by toggling the switch or completely removing it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.